you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Look Fantastic beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Look Fantastic just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Hey, you guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update really quick. This is definitely not the July box. I assumed it was because it just arrived in July, but I received the July's box now today, the very next day from filming the one I thought was the July box. And I'm like, wait a minute, then what is this one? This one that I just received today is the July box. So I went back to the pamphlet that I was looking at this stuff from, and at the very top, it says April 04. So I do apologize. This was my lost April because April and May both had shipping delays. So this must have just arrived from April. So if you do want to see what was in the April box at least, then that will follow. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have. This month they have an all pink bright box. I love their boxes. These are constructed so well. You can use these for anything. I love to store things in, and I also save some to put giveaways and stuff like that when I send to you guys because it's just a really good constructed box. So I always save these boxes. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in the July edition box. When you first open it up, you do have this thick brochure with this beautiful woman right on top, and it says it's time to bloom. So that is what this month is going to be about. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. And there is a sneak peek to the inside of the box. When you do go down inside of here, it will go over the information, but it will not tell you the pricing. But it will give you more information through here of what is inside of the box. And then in the back, there is some other information that you can go through that tells you some different information you can read. It gives you some more insight on this theme box. And ooh, there's some face mapping, what your skin is trying to tell you. So back here, you have a whole thing that you can go over with your forehead, cheeks, your jawline, your neck, your nose, your chin, all of that. And yeah, so this has a lot of useful information that you can go through, but let's go ahead and go with the front of it so we can go over the items that are going to be in this box. So the first thing that we saw, I'm not a eyelash wearer. The only lashes, if I ever put them on, are magnetic. I would probably glue my whole damn eye shut if I tried to use real glue. Props to everyone who does use these because you know how to do the damn thing. I don't. I just leave things alone, you know? If I don't know how to do it, I'm good. But it does have a left, it has a right, and it looks like there's actually the glue in there. So that is really cool. A lot of lashes that I've seen through subscription boxes, they don't even give you the glue in there. It's just the lashes only. So I do appreciate that they did give you that so you can use them right out of the, right out of the box. It says reusable for 5 wears, glue included, new 18-hour hold, and it's latex free, vegan friendly. So that's what they look like. And let me find this in the book. Okay, so this is, what is it? Lightweight lashes to give your makeup look a bit of added oomph. With a wing shape to elongate the eyes, designed to give fullness while still looking delicate. Quick to apply and gentle to remove with glue included for easy use. So again, I do like that they did put the glue in there. I will go ahead and put this in one of my future giveaway piles for one of you guys to enjoy. Now we have is an Avant product. I actually have a few different ones. Pink Orchid, that's not one that I have. I don't believe so. So I'm actually excited to get a new one. It says Pink Orchid Hyaluronic Glycerin White Peony, age protected and UV Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Cream. There's that. And it says, what is it? An overnight facial serum that helps hydrate the skin and combat signs of stress and fatigue. Formulated to support your skin when it's most susceptible to treatment. Pink Orchid is an ingredient that improves skin's elasticity and plumps out fine lines and wrinkles for more youthful appearance with regular use. Pink Orchid and hyaluronic acid. Massage a pink pink size, nope, a pea size amount onto your skin every night after cleansing and toning. And I know normally when we get any of these small little bottles, yes, a 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce, these are normally always between $80 to like $120. There's no price on here, but I know this is an expensive product and I appreciate when they do come in these boxes because I would never pay that much money for this something this little. But I appreciate when they're in these boxes. So we do have that, and it is the Pink Orchid Peony Overnight Serum. Now we have is a Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. So there's that product. A daily moisturizer enriched with a powerful blend of antioxidants and smoothing seed oils to calm and nourish your skin. Designed to protect your skin against dehydration and external aggressors to tackle signs of permanent aging. Sesame seed oil, camellia oil, shea butter, orange peel oil, and sunflower seed oil. Gently apply onto face and neck daily after cleansing until fully absorbed. So you have that product, and I have seen this before too. This brand is a really good brand, so I'm excited to try out the day cream. Now we have is a rose infused sheet mask, and anything with rose or lavender goes directly to you guys. So here is this product right here. It probably doesn't even smell like rose, but just because there's rose on it, I don't even want to attempt it. But this guy right here is a Beauty Pro plant-based rose infused sheet mask. A botanical-based sheet mask formulated to heal and soothe, part of Beauty Pro's plant-based range, filled with superfood ingredients that act as anti-inflammatories to minimize redness, anti-aging, and great for targeting oil, blemished skin, also fully biodegradable. And it has Bulgarian rose made from bamboo fibers. That's probably a really good one, but with the rose, I don't even want to attempt it. So this will go to one of you guys because, again, you know my motto, sharing is caring, and I love to pass down to you guys as well. So I will go ahead and put that in a future giveaway pile. Next we have is, ooh, there's this little cute little thing. It says glove or glove, and it says exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips. A tool designed to both exfoliate and treat cracked, chapped lips and encourage blood circulation for a fuller pout. Expect to see results immediately. How to use: dampen Scrub-X with water and gently scrub your lips, avoiding too much pressure. Follow with your favorite lip balm for juicy, kissable lips. So there's that. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's a really cute package. It does have a little before and after. But let's get this opened. Ooh. It's just this thing. It's not even like a... I was totally thinking I was going to pull out like a solution, like an actual product that you squeeze on your lips like a normal lip scrub. But no. It's like that. Maybe that's why it's called glove. It's a glove for your lips. So I guess you like stick it on your finger and you can exfoliate your lips with it. It does feel like it has some exfoliating. Oh my gosh, that does not look good. It did not look good. I had to stop myself real quick. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. That is what I was fondling vigorously. That's what it looks like. So like I was not expecting this to be in here, like a little like finger glove. I was not expecting this at all. I was expecting an actual serum. I was expecting the serum. How to use: wash before each use. Okay, so you wash this first, then you moisten it with water. Gently scrub your lips, adapting pressure to your needs. Clean it and use it again. Apply a lip balm. Do not apply too much pressure. Start gently. So you wash it, you use it, you wash it, you use it, and it's reusable. I just need to stop with this product. I totally need to stop with this. Oh my God. Yes, it is a washable, reusable lip scrubber upper. So there is that. I've never seen that before, and it's actually kind of neat. So we have a lip scrubber, and you don't even have to use a product. You just use water. Okay, and now I received this product right here. This says that it could have been one of two items. You could have did a 1.1, not you could have did. They would have sent either 1.1 or 1.2. So you would have received either, looks like a single eyeshadow or a nail polish. So 1.1 would have been a Bella Pierre Cosmetics highlighter and eyeshadow. And it's a pigmented shimmery shadow in a gorgeous copper color. So I'm so glad that I received a nail product. This is a salon quality nail polish to help you get a professional looking manicure from the comfort of your own home. This natural pale pink color is shiny and highly pigmented, perfect for creating a wide range of nail looks. With an easy-to-use brush for speedy, mess-free application. No streaking, gloss finish, no need for multiple strokes. Plumping technology for a smooth, perfection-free finish. So you have a nail polish, or you would have received a single shadow eyeshadow. So again, out of the two, I'm glad I received this because I wouldn't have used a coppery eyeshadow myself, but that's my own opinion. I would have saved it for one of you guys if not. But here is the nail polish. So going over everything that came in the July LookFantastic beauty box, you could have got the shadow or the nail polish. You have an Avant product, which I'm super excited about. You have this lip scrub thing that I've never seen before, which it's so cool because then it's reusable and you don't even have to use a product. You only use water to clean your lips off. You have a sheet mask, which will go to one of you guys. We have a pair of lashes, which will go to one of you guys. And then we have a day cream. So that, again, that is everything that came in this month's box. If you want a little bit more information about LookFantastic, I will let you know right about now. I do have a link down below. If you do purchase a 12-month subscription, your very first box is only for $1. And I believe I've heard that you don't have to pay for it all at once. It's billed monthly, but it's at the year rate. So again, this is $1 if you get the very first box with a 12-month subscription. The link will be down below. If you wanted to just do month to month, it's $19 per month. If you do 3 months, it's $18. 6 months brings it to $17, and 12 months brings it to $16, but the very first box would be $1. You can choose from 1, 3, 6, or 12-month rolling subscription plan with free international delivery. You will receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth value of over $60. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trending beauty brands. Discover the LookFantastic Beauty Box today. One good thing also about being a LookFantastic Beauty Box subscriber is you get the very first option to purchase any of their limited edition, their advent calendars, anything that they do differently, and it's even cheaper for you to get it if you are an active subscriber. So there's a lot of perks being a LookFantastic subscriber, and I absolutely love that. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that were in here? What do you think of LookFantastic in general? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.